video about full review of One UI 2.0 and all the new things that have. The first thing that you will see in One UI 2.0 is when you boot the phone, the logo has changed, and this tells you that you have updated the phone to One UI 2.0. Then we'll continue with next thing. So the next thing, you go to settings, about phone, software information, and you see those things can change. Then you can move those, and this is Android 10 and One UI 2.0. And something that I see in the new version of the Samsung One UI 2.0 is the dark mode, change name from night mode to dark mode. You can see. And you also can see it's applied to wallpaper. It makes wallpaper more darker, and adaptive color filter that makes the blue light filter also with night mode applied. Next thing that I noticed in the One UI is the bar. It's thicker when you change the brightness, and also for the volume options they are made thicker when you touch. And the new thing are the new settings for wallpapers. You can see it's different than before. You can see my wallpapers, they are here, stock wallpapers, and setting home and lock screen. They changed it a bit and then before in One UI 1.0. One of the most interesting things that I have noticed in the new One UI 2.0 is the new navigation bar that is here, full gesture. More options here. Then you can see swipe from sides and bottom. It's all new system. If you want to go back to close the app, you just need to swipe. If you want to open the task manager, you need to swipe and hold. And if you need to go back, you need just swipe from the sides. And it's really good to use and really smooth. I think think of One UI 2.0 is the new animations that are so cool. Look at that, how apps opens. Like boom, and the closest like that. It's make the phone so smooth to use, so cool. It's new feature that is so good for this Android 10. It's so smooth. Google Assistant, you need to swipe from the corners and you will have the Google Assistant. It's new on Android 10. And with new gesture, you have the 100 mode new gesture. So you can see it. Use 100 mode with gesture. You need to swipe down to open apply the 100 mode like that, like this. In Android 9 it was to tap 3 times the home button, and now it's to swipe down. And the new thing that is in One UI 2.0 is when you want to screen record, it asks you what do you want to do with sound, no sound, media sounds, and mic. I like no sounds, like for example, and it starts recording. In One UI 1.0 it didn't ask you, it just started recording. And the new useful thing that I think is new fingerprint show. Fingerprints, and just typing the password, and you can show on the fingerprint, tap to show. You can like that, and you just need to tap and the fingerprint is here, and unlock the phone. Just tap the phone and the fingerprint is here. And the new device here, you can see it's more clean, I think. You can see optimize here, battery here, details of battery usage here, and wireless power share set battery limit, and fast cable charging, fast wireless charging, and here storage to manage your storage. It's more clean, looks good, I think, more. And you can see there it's like a little bulb, and you can see about continuous charging, storing your phone, handling a wet charging port, and some tips here you can see that help you out with your battery. And also new digital well-being, and you can see how much you use the phone, each app use, and new focus mode that blocks using your phone and stay concentrated on what you're doing, like me time, choose apps that you don't want to use while you focus mode on, and things like that. And parental control, if you giving this phone to a child and you doing like to block some things or set a limit time of use and something like that. Also the camera app has changed. You can see the new look of the photo video layout, and you can see this option more, and the new way of digital zoom and optical. You can have 0.5, 1.0, 2.0 and 10, and this is vibrating when you touch. It's like rotating a physical thing. It's have more new things here in camera. And if you go to contacts, you have here recycle bin, that if you have deleted the contact wrong, and you can recover by the recycle bin here. You can see they delete after 15 days. Also they included the trash in a file. You have see recycle bin in files here. One thing I noticed, it's new. You can type a text and you can just swipe the cursor with the space bar here, like that. Just holding it and just moving, and vibrates as a feedback that you are changing the cursor. That's really good feature and useful. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for any suggestion for new videos. One UI 2.0 is very good operating system, so much improvements in performance, stability and speed. The battery is about the same. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.